Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is aka Educator with Curls here, also known as Nia. Welcome back. As you know, right now we are deep into favorites, and so without further ado, we're gonna dive in. You're gonna see the next three favorites are actually, I'm gonna be in the same outfit. Really, that's just because my birthday is coming up and I am actually going away and completely isolating for a period of time. So I will be pre-filming some of these different things, but they'll be coming out at my normal schedule of like every Saturday. So without further ado, let's dive in. All right, the first, today we're going to be talking about CoWashes and rinse out conditioners, which I also use as CoWashes. In my January empties, and I will link it in the description box video, I talked to you guys a little bit about how I was moving away from some of the all-natural CoWashes and going into some of those like store brand, easy to find rinse out conditioners. I'm still trialing that. So I say that to say like there are a bunch of natural CoWashes that I've tried, and I'm trying to figure out like if my hair responds differently. I'll give you an example. So today I actually used the Herbal Essences BioRenew Sulfate-Free Potent Aloe and Mango Curl Definer Conditioner. And this is 0 parabens and colorants. And this is like 97% or 90% natural. But it still has a rinse out silicone. So it has bisominopropyl dimethicone, which is a water-soluble silicone. I've been using this and I don't love it. What's hard for me, I think, is like every time I wash my hair, wet my hair, I like to put in deep conditioner and I like to feel that feel. And so I'm trying to figure out if it's better for me to just go from shampoo to deep conditioner because I'm going a lot more days without washing my hair, or if it's better to introduce, a midweek silicone-based conditioner. I will tell you that I have pulled back out this baby and I am loving it, okay? This is the Aussie Moist 3-Minute Miracle Deep Conditioner. It's a deep conditioner, but I've been using it as like a co-wash, like a midweek co-wash, and this stuff is bomb. Like it smells good. This also has that bisominopropyl dimethicone in it. Yep. Which is a water-soluble cone. So I'm trying to figure out kind of where my hair is at. So the first one that I'll talk to you about is this 3-Minute Miracle Moist. It's super moisturizing, smells really nice, and it's super cheap. You can find this really easily like grocery stores, on the ground, any kind of store. The second one I'll talk to you about is the one I just talked to you about, which was the Herbal Essences BioRenew, the sulfate-free potent aloe and mango. This also smells really, really good. God, it smells like a tropical vacation. And for people who know me, they know, like, I typically like co-washed or rinse out conditioners that smell like the tropics. I also like products that are like that, like candy, sweet, the tropics, pineapple, like coconut, that's my thing. So this is the one that I have been trying, and I'm trying to figure out if I really love it or not, but we'll see. This is also super cheap. It's like $3.99. The next one is an Old Faithful. It's the the Herbal Essences Hello Hydration. This I actually use when I'm straightening my hair. So I will leave just a little bit of this in my hair when I am straightening my hair. I haven't straightened my hair in almost, I've done it once in the last year, but when I was straightening my natural hair a lot more, this is what I used. This is also 0% paraben, mineral oil free. It is also one of those conditioners that has bisominopropyl dimethicone. So again, the water-soluble cone. Smells really good. Smells like coconuts. Yeah. This one I also like to travel with because it's easier to find on the ground. And because it's $2.99 or $3.99, I can't remember, the smaller bottle, if I don't take it in my carry-on, I can buy it while I'm there for super cheap and then use it up while I'm traveling or doing whatever I'm doing. So that is, those are the rinse out conditioners. Now we're going to talk a little bit about the natural co-washes. And you guys saw these in the January favorites, but they are still my two favorite co-washes. Now, I'm not repurchasing them just because they've been so expensive. My hair is getting so much longer, and I'm trying to figure out if I can use these. So my purchase right now is on halt. I shouldn't say that I'm never going to purchase them again, repurchase them again, but it's on halt, right? So the first is the Camille Rose Naturals Creme Restore. This is amazing. Smells like candy, vanilla, like super like baked goodie, and is all completely natural. It's in a conditioning cleanser. And the other one is the She Scented Blueberry Cowash conditioner. So these are the two, and they're completely all natural. Work to detangle, work to moisturize. This, I will say, the difference between using an all-natural co-wash and a rinse-out conditioner as a co-wash really is just how my hair feels afterwards. I can feel the film and or coating on my hair when I've used a rinse-out conditioner. It's not heavy, but I can feel it. So it's not my favorite thing to be using, and I'm trying to figure out if it's something I can live with or if it's not, and if it's going to damage my hair or not. Typically, when something doesn't work, I notice a lot more frizz in my hair, or it's like, it has this look where it almost looks like ashy. It doesn't have a good shine. It doesn't have good, like, definition, and so I will know pretty soon if that is the case with these products. So I am just bringing these babies will stay because I have a lot of them, so they will stay, but I'm not going to repurchase for a while because I want to bounce between and see kind of what works best. All right, so that's all that I have here. There's 5 here. 2 are all natural. 3 are those store brand conditioners. And that's kind of all I have for co-washes or rinse out conditioners. Stay tuned for the next video, which will talk to you a little bit about my favorite deep conditioners. And this category is huge. See you soon. Thanks so much. As always, like, comment, subscribe, share with people, share with anyone that you think could help or benefit from it, who could use the help or benefit from it. It's so much appreciated. And again, be blessed and have a great Saturday. Bye, guys.